We are doing the comparison between two motor vehicles to ease your selection choice. On this side, we have a BMW X5 model 2013, and on this side, we have a Mercedes-Benz ML. Well, what would you consider on choosing a mid-luxury SUV? But on this one, we are going to share parts, bits, and the reason, facts about these mid-luxury SUVs taking over the market of Uganda. Which one has a bigger engine? Which one has the perfect engine? Which one has better fuel consumption? And which one among the two can take you from here to your village area? Ladies and gentlemen, if you have not subscribed to Barry Motors Uganda, please hit that subscription button and just leave us a comment down there on among the two, which one would you go for as we go through the video. Barry Motors Uganda. Well, now this is the exterior design of this mid-range SUV BMW X5. This is a car which has a very good design language. It blends well with the class. This design, which doesn't really sound, but it is unique on its own. BMW have kept the design of this lighting from almost first generation of this X series of its motor vehicles. You know, we have seen the same design on X1, X3, and now X5. They have almost the similar design on the exterior. As I said, we are doing a comparison between these motor vehicles. Selection will be yours. We are giving you price difference, the difference in design with the exterior and interior designing. We're also giving you the power. You know, I've seen how young generation embracing this X5. It is a mid-range or a mid-luxury SUV which works well for the for the young age. Whereas we have seen Mercedes-Benz working well, for those guys, the ones we call the guys with the old money. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this is the rear design lighting over this BMW X5. It has a very good rear wide view. This rear mirror plus antenna, that type of antenna, and it also has this rear spoiler. And another thing down here, if you look closely, this car has double exhaust. We gave this car 4 blind spot sensors. We have one here, then another one here, this one, and this one. Now, this is the rear design of this motor vehicle. If we compare, the doors are quite heavier. And this one is X-Drive. This X-Drive on a BMW, it stands for 4-wheel drive. Besides, this one has a tire and rim size of size 18. The design of headlights on this BMW X5, the grille looks a bit musculous and sportier. And then as I told you, this is the fork. The fork light of this motor vehicle, they really simplified it. It also has these blind spot front sensors, and it also has these side mirror with the indicators. Then this is the upper grille. Now let me show you the exterior design of Mercedes-Benz as well. And guys, as you are doing so, please hit that subscription button, and if you have any car in mind, just write down there on the comment section. We'll bring it as per your request. Well, this is the rear design of this Mercedes-Benz ML 4MATIC. Actually, this 4MATIC on your Mercedes-Benz stands for 4-wheel drive. This is the rear bumper design. This car also has the safety features like blind spot sensors. Rear here, this has been fitted by 4 blind sensors rear. Mercedes-Benz as usual, that rear antenna, and the perfect place to mount your number plate. This is the type of the door handles you get on Mercedes. Handles which are blended with chrome, like silver handles. And as usual, as German cars, the doors are very heavy. And this one has the side steps. We considered also those short guys. Now this one, it has the tire and rim size of size 18, but though you can fit you can still fit the bigger rims on it. Like you can fit up to size 21 rims in a motor car. It has this side mirror indicators, and if you look closely up, it has these roof bars, the Mercedes original ones. Now this is the front design and front look of this motor vehicle. You see, this is the type of headlight on a Mercedes vehicle, though they redesigned the entire LED headlight system on this motor vehicle. The front grille have some chrome touch on it. On this one, you have 6 blind spot sensors which are fitted on the front of this motor vehicle. If it comes to the side of safety, Mercedes is really taking it serious, because you find that you are being given 6 blind spot sensors front here. Well, now this is the design of the bonnet on this motor vehicle, and this is the windscreen of Mercedes-Benz ML. On top of that, if you look closely on the roof of this Mercedes-Benz ML, it will find that it has the moonroof or sunroof. So, well, ladies and gentlemen, let's compare the interior design of these motor vehicles, and we'll see which one among them has the most luxurious seat design and high quality leather. Well, let's begin with the interior of this X5. Well, now this is the interior design of this X5. It has this dark brown leather seats, and this is the cockpit of this motor vehicle. Now this is the steering of this BMW X5. Yeah, it's really good. The steering is just enough for the car of its kind. This is the rear view mirror with the auto dimming tech. This one also has the sunroof, and this is the sun shield of it. So these are all the window controls and the door controls. This is the light controls, the dashboard. Dashboard is very simple. You have your chrome design here with the BMW word. Then you have the bottle holders on both doors. You have cup holders at the console box, plus the infotainment system. This is the infotainment system of this motor vehicle, and the AC vents. This is another huge compartment, plus this chrome and kind of a plastic wooden coated design. Then this car has a very good unique, very good music sound, which features, you know, different speakers on the sides and the doors. Yeah, now this is the rear seat, what we could call the mid-row seat, because as I told you at the beginning that this car has 7 seats. It's a 7-seater motor vehicle, and yeah, at the middle here also you get yourself, like, let's say if you are taking 2 passengers at the middle row seat, they get themselves double cup holder, and the file holders were here, plus all window vents, plus cup holders on all those were here. And these seats can be thrown to get the access of the extreme rear seats. Though these rear seats can really work well for the young ones. Yeah, let me show you the extreme rear seats. Now this is the rear extreme rear seats. You know, for the rear passengers, they also get rear AC vent rear here, plus these are double cup holders rear. Yeah, as I told you, this is a luxury SUV with all the luxury features. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is the interior of a BMW X5. So let me show you the interior of a Mercedes-Benz ML 4MATIC. Yeah, well, as I told you, if it comes to the interior design and you know, the safety features, that luxury bit of it. Mercedes is really doing great work. Now the simplicity on driving modes, as I told you, the safety features you get in these Mercedes features like ML cars, it is over its category. Now this is the dash this car has, and this is the infotainment system of it, and this is the climate control knobs, as well as this is the, you know, the radio of this motor vehicle, AC vents, plus this a blended marble design on the dash. It really makes the car look unique. Now it is also a car with a lot of compartments, you know, storage packages, and cup holders, of which we have huge one here. Then we have these cup holders. This can work as a card holder. And then we have this huge compartment here, of which if you go for an extreme grade, like the premium grade, you can get one with a fridge just here at the console. This is the steering of the Mercedes, which is really good. And it also has very unique music system, like it is fitted with music speakers on all those, plus the stereo speakers. And you get your cup holders on all those, plus chrome silver handle design. And well, this is the type of leather seats this car has. If it comes to seat design, I think I prefer that the seat designs of BMW X5, but you can as well let me know in the comment section which one is better. Reading light, these are the reading light of this car with some smaller compartment here, sun shield, and off-roading handles. Whereas this one is 5-seater, the other BMW X5 we shared 7-seater. So which means this one has good comfortable legroom. So for the passengers who would sit at the rear side, they would get that convenient legroom than the ones you can get on BMW X5, as well as the boot. The boot, this one you get that bigger boot, most especially for, you know, carrying bigger luggage than the ones on the X5. According to what you have so far seen on this video, please write us down there. You judge which one has better design, exterior design and the interior design. And actually, among the two, which one can you go for? At the comment section, please. Well, now this is the rear seat of this motor vehicle. Like if you're taking two passengers rear here, they get themselves double cup holder and the armrest at the same time. But this 5-seater motor vehicle, though it's more comfortable for 2 passengers rear, so it is really comfortable for 4 passengers on this motor vehicle. The headrests are good. The leather designs rear here is of good quality, and then the door handles, that are chrome door handles, plus the cup holders on all the rear doors. Let me show you the boot space of this motor vehicle, and then I'll take you to the engine. Well, the tailgate of this car is automatic. You can use the remote or you can use the button on it. And what I'll tell you that it is really big. It has that huge boot. This one has a full-size spare tire. Now, let me take you to the most interesting part of these two motor vehicles. Let the judgment begin from that side. Which one has a bigger engine? Which one has the perfect engine? Which one has better fuel consumption? And which one among the two can take you from here to your village area? Ladies and gentlemen, as we are heading there, please hit that subscription button. Let's see what lies under the hood of this motor vehicle. This one is being fitted by a 3.0 liter turbocharged engine, which is labeled as a twin power turbo of a BMW. And this engine has a horsepower of 300 horsepower and 300 features of tongue. Plus this thing here, as you see, this thing can accelerate from 0 to 60 within 6.4 seconds according to the BMW ratings. As I told you that this thing is really meticulous. So if it comes to fuel consumption, this thing here is still good. Let's see what lies under the hood of this Mercedes-Benz ML. Well, we have here a 6-cylinder engine of 3.5 cc, which has the power of horsepower of 302 horsepower. Mercedes-Benz M-Class engine. This is a blue efficiency technology, which gives you around 8.7 kilometers per liter of petrol. Can accelerate from 0 to 60 within 6 seconds, which is quite good. Let's come to pricing. All these machines are available here at Barrow Motors Uganda, and with your 95 million, you can get yourself this X5 model 2013 here at Barrow Motors Uganda, and with your 110, you can get yourself this 2013 Mercedes-Benz ML 2013. So well, for guys, I assume it has been a very good comparison for these two motor vehicles. We will not tell you which one is better, but let's just hear from you guys at the comment section. State, just write down there which one is better for you. So from the guys and the entire team, goodbye and be blessed. Goodbye.